a market in Da Nang, Vietnam. We are gonna get some groceries and show you the price of everything, what we're getting, and what our total is. I should have got a basket. Okay, so I got the basket. The kids really like these cookies. These are just chocolate chip cookies, but they're 27,000. So for reference, 25,000 is $1. So these are just a little over $1, and they come individually wrapped, which is nice because I usually put them in my little bag just for like on-the-go snacks. Look, digestives. I keep seeing these all over my TikTok. Everyone is trying them. They've got plenty here in Vietnam. Apparently they're like sold out in America because they've gone so viral. Okay. So 2-pack of toilet paper, 15,000. 2-pack of paper towel, 36,000. Okay, so I'm gonna get a ton of waters. 6,000. 6,000 of water. You can get better waters like Evian. This is 35,000. We usually get Aquafina, 6,000. Dasani is also 6,000. I feel like every time I'm here, I empty out the waters. So not everything is super cheap. Things that are like Western, so like from America and stuff, are pretty expensive. Like this bag of Doritos is 130,000. Pretty expensive for, that many chips. It doesn't really make much sense. Let's see if this one has the price on it. Okay, this one doesn't have the price on it. Or does it? Oh, I'm not sure. But yeah, usually like things that I recognize from back home will be more expensive. This thing of Nutella, 150,000. I mean, it's not horrible. Nutella's usually up there, I guess. Look how cute these are. Farm animals, rice and corn, vegetable pasta shaped. Little shapes. That's so cute. This is 136,000. So in Vietnam, it's usually cheaper to eat out than buy groceries and cook at home, which is good and bad at the same time, I guess, because then you're eating out a lot, but if you get things to cook at home, it's just more expensive. Hey, buddy.
Hi. We're just getting some stuff.
You're just getting some stuff?
Yeah.
Did you pick out?
Yeah. Okay, am I in?
Levi, come show me what you got. What is it?
I got juice egg.
Wow.
Egg.
Wow.
Thank you, Mommy. You're the best. Thanks.
I'm the best?
Yeah. No.
I'm trying to find a dish spot. So you can obviously go to bigger grocery stores. This is just a small supermarket right down the road from our house, but so there's obviously not as many options. Okay, so this is a section I really like to share because diapers is a huge one, especially for us parents. They do have Huggies. I actually really like the Huggies. They are super thin. They almost remind me of a swim diaper, just very, very thin. So when we first got here, I was like, oh my gosh, this isn't gonna hold anything. They are crazy absorbent. Like, I don't know what they do, but it's crazy. So this is 113.
Mommy, look at these things we don't have.
Just 1 second, okay? This is 113,000. So this is a little under $5 for how many diapers is this? 16 diapers. So not bad. Again, Huggies is always a more expensive brand. And then also with like the laundry stuff, they have Tide, they have Downy. Everything smells really, really good.
Mommy. Mommy, come here. I just see something. So, Mommy, is that cantaloupe? Oh, you don't get it?
Okay, so we have all the fruit here.
Yeah, I want to get
You want to
watermelon.
get watermelon?
I don't want that one. I want this one.
Let me check. So the watermelon, this is 24,000. So it's not even $1 for a quarter of a watermelon, I guess. Oh, Ivy. And now we're buying bananas because Ivy just opened these. But these are 31,000 for 8 bananas.
That
Ivy.
one. I don't want the purple one.
Bringing kids to the grocery store is always fun. And then let's see, Levi, do you want to get mango this time, buddy?
Yeah.
Yes, please. Okay, so 42,000 for mango. Would you like some apples, buddy?
Yeah. Please.
So you got 8 apples for 63,000.
Ready, baby? Wait, where's that egg? Where's that egg? Mommy, where's the egg?
Oh, and then oranges.
Mommy,
Oh,
mommy.
51,000 for, I don't even know how many oranges in here, but a good amount of oranges.
Mommy, where's that egg?
I mean,
Mommy,
okay, so this is our basket. We need to scoot this to the counter.
look at my egg.
Okay, the 2 massive bags of all kinds of stuff. I don't even know what we got. Our total was 476,000, which is $19 and was it 38 cents. So it's a pretty good grocery trip. I'm gonna get these groceries home, but like and subscribe for more Vietnam videos.